is consider this problem statement. We need to write a Python program in order to remove duplicates from a list. Okay. So first let us consider a sample list which contains some duplicate elements. Okay. So how we can actually do this is first I'll take a is equal to, okay, the list of elements like 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 20 comma, okay, 40 comma 30 comma 50. Okay, so you can observe there are some duplicates elements like 20 is repeated two times, 30 is repeated two times. Okay, you're asked to remove those duplicate elements. Okay, so the best way is basically you can convert this list into a set. Okay, so I'll take s1 is equal to set of, okay, a, and we'll display this s1. Okay, and you will get the elements which are appearing only once here. Yes or no? I've removed all the duplicate elements. Okay, now the idea is you can print the same thing in the list format by writing list of s1 here. Okay, so then you will get everything in the list format where there are no duplicate elements, but there are duplicate elements in the original list. Now I have converted into set and returned back the list, so which is again I'll get list format where all the duplicates are clearly removed. Okay, like this.